We're sharing a formal dining room tour today. If you're interested, keep watching.
We can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Shonda and Rhonda would like to file a formal complaint with the Deer Eat 'em Up Committee. They've been eating up all of our flowering plants. But we had a trick for them. We went to Home Depot and we got some that they're not supposed to eat. Now, we know if they're hungry enough, they'll eat anything. And then a couple of days later, we ventured on out to Homegoods. And this day in particular, we weren't looking for anything, it was more or less window shopping. So what we decided to do, though, was to film things that were eye catchers to us. Now, that beautiful cabinet that you just saw had that pretty retro vibe that caught our eye. And then they had this table set up as you entered in, and it had all these pretty black and gold accessories on it. Now, this was heavy. The box itself was actually made of metal, not only the lid. And then as we look a little farther, these beautiful black and gold candle holders also caught our eye. And then something that was so unique, and y'all know we love unique pieces, they had these instruments. Now, I don't know, I'm not really a musical person. I don't think that they would play. I'm sure that they were just for decor, but they were very nice replicas, and I thought that they would be very unique accessories in your home. And then y'all look, this was a beautiful sand hourglass. It was so pretty. I thought that was very unique, and it also had a little bit of weight to it. So they also had, for our animal lovers, they had something for you too. This definitely caught our eye, and oh my gosh, when I saw these, y'all, I could have jumped sky high. It made me feel like they're getting ready to put out all the pretty things that come out around the fall time. I was kind of surprised that these were out. But aren't they gorgeous? This navy and gold. I believe it was the Callisto brand of pillows. But I was so excited when I saw these. They were on this end cap, and it kind of threw me when I came around the corner. But these were certainly beautiful, and you've heard me Rhonda say that I'm going to be using navy again this fall. But no, I did not bite the bullet. I have a lot of irons in the fire right now, and these pillows were $100 each. So although I wanted to, I did not buy one. And then these, when we got over to where they have the wall decor, these caught our eye because, y'all, these are actually 3D. The petals on the flowers are made of metal. And these were just absolutely gorgeous. And blue is Shonda's favorite color. And then they also had this one, and I thought that these were just beautiful. Yep, absolutely 3D. And then some of you may remember I redid my sister's bedroom, and I'll link that video for y'all. She has some chairs similar to this, the exact same color and fabric, but hers were a lot cheaper. I'll link that video for y'all. And then we saw these gorgeous blue velvet chairs, and they were so pretty. They had these kind of sitting out in the middle of the floor. No way you could miss them, and the color was just so vibrant and rich. They also had these chairs. Now, these chairs were huge. The camera is not doing them justice, but you can kind of tell from how high the backs are on them. They were very well made. I love the nail head details of them, and the fabric actually looked like a denim fabric. $499.99, and in my humble opinion, I thought that they were worth it. They were just beautiful. And these certainly caught our eye. The colors were so vibrant, beautiful for the summertime. These were some beautiful, classic Ralph Lauren lamps, and they gave me that beaded detail kind of vibe. They were gorgeous, as well as this one. And what I loved about this lamp is that the petals on it, you know, it was real glass. So these were just kind of stunning. Glamorous, glamorous, glamorous. Here is a unique piece. And y'all know we love unique things. Now, as you turn this handle, y'all, you can adjust the height of the top of the table. I thought that was unique, and I've never ever seen that before. $149.99. Now these were gorgeous. They gave me beach vibes. They gave me summer vibes. Look at the color of these candle holders. Such a beautiful shade of blue. I absolutely love these. I almost bought them, but I didn't really need them. So I left them for the next person, but they were certainly gorgeous. And we've probably all seen these before. These are classically beautiful plates, serveware, dishes that they have at Homegoods. Sometimes I'll see them more towards the holiday season, but they had them out this time, and they certainly are eye catchers. So I thought that I would bring them to you. And this rug, I came around the corner, and this rug certainly caught my eye. I love the detail of the rug. It's like a beautiful neutral gray color, and then it has all this embossed, raised, whatever you call it. Anyway, y'all, the carpet was beautiful. And this was another unique, beautiful piece. It is a huge vase, and it is made of metal. It was heavy. I actually had to kind of put the camera down to lay it on its side just so I could get the price for y'all. If I had to guess, I would say it was about 3 foot tall. And here is another unique piece that caught my eye. A very large. This was a large mirror, and I actually love that wicker detail that was on it. Love the texture of it. $149.99. And speaking of texture, then we came over to this table, and I absolutely loved it. I love the detail. It was teak wood and $299.99. And then moving on, we have another little table here. It was actually the gold hardware, of course, y'all, that caught my eye, but this was a beautiful piece. Tommy Hilfiger, $249.99. And then I also love this two-tiered tray. I love the shape of it. Of course, y'all know we're Tuscan girls at heart, so I love the wrought iron on it, and I thought the wood was a nice accent with it. And this was a beautiful mother of pearl inlaid vase. Pretty good price on that. And these are actually two different little cabinets. It's not one. It kind of looks like one piece, but it's actually two separate pieces. And then moving on over to the florals, I have one of these in a cream color, and I used the one in the same that blush pink that's in the background there. I used one of those in my sister's room for her makeover. We have just one or two other things to share at Homegoods, and then we're going to look at my dining room. Friends of the Twins, I'm so happy to have you here with me as I share my formal dining room tour. Now, I've kind of brought you all along with me this entire time here as I was putting this room together, and I was waiting on that one special piece. Yes, that beautiful bookshelf that is there in the corner. And it finally came in about a week ago, and about 2 days ago we got it all put together and in place, and I am just loving this room. Now, it is not a very large formal dining room, but it's certainly big enough. I have seating for 5 in here, and it is comfortable. And I think I'm so happy with this room because we've done the work. Like the wainscoting, my husband and I put that on the wall as a project here. And with the beautiful chargers that you see, I'm sharing you here that I actually bought the metal wall decor at Hobby Lobby, and then I spray painted it myself because I could not find white chargers that I kind of had in my head. So I made my dream come true, and this is my version, what I wanted in a white charger. I love this beautiful yellow vase. There are actually 2 in the room. I got both of them at Homegoods, and of course, your girl loves to play with flowers, so I made my own floral arrangement. Now, the majority of the flowers came from Michael's. There may have been a couple of others that came from Homegoods. I think those white palm leaves. But yes, let's talk about this bookshelf. This came from Wayfair. I have said in here in my new home that I've been in now for 6 months, I'm going to take my time and buy things that I love and truly make me happy. So I'm not in a hurry, but I'm in a hurry. Y'all know what I mean. I love the beautiful detail of it, the leaf detail, or the branch detail, I should say. And you see at the top here we have 2 little birds, and I think that is just so sweet. I will do a future video, and in that we will be decorating that bookshelf, but for right now I am just enjoying it just as plain as it is. And this is the other vase. I got both of these at the same time. They were $59.99 each. And the curtains, I have a lot of people ask me about the curtains. They also came from Homegoods, and they were $29.99 a pair. This beautiful mirror, I've had it for a while. I paid $150 for it, and I can't even remember where I got it from. But I think that everything has come together well here. I want to say to our friends of the twins, thank you for your continuing love and support here on our channel. If you are new to our channel and you have indeed enjoyed the content of today's video, Shonda and I would love to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and become a friend of the twins. To our same one since day one, we always love and appreciate you. As we always like to say, you make the life that you live a life that you love now, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.